For 5 frustrating months, the crypto market has been stuck in neutral. Even after the fourth Bitcoin halving and thawing of crypto venture markets, even as inflation has eased toward 2% and the Fed has embraced interest rate cuts, even amid Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange-traded fund approvals and strong inflows, crypto prices themselves have not responded. Bitcoin has been stuck between $55,000 and $70,000 for 5 straight months, and altcoins have suffered through a 50% crash. It has been frustrating at best and demoralizing at worst. But there's hope. I have observed numerous positive fundamental and technical signals at the current moment, which collectively suggest that Bitcoin could finally be ready to break out in a traditional post-halving boom cycle. Does that mean a breakout will happen? Absolutely not. The crypto markets have always been very unpredictable, and especially so in this cycle. But it does mean that there is reason for cautious optimism. On the fundamental side of things, all of the major economic trends continue to move in Bitcoin's favor. With oil prices tumbling and price cuts happening everywhere, inflation is forecasted to fall to around 2.5% in August. The economy is proving largely resilient, with retail sales rising, earnings improving, and employment stabilizing. What's more, Treasury yields are falling and the Fed is telegraphing rate cuts. The macroeconomic trends are generally positive. These positive trends should eventually lead to a rebound in consumer sentiment, which, as we've shown you before, has developed a very strong correlation with BTC prices. Indeed, the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index rebounded in August for the first time since, wait for it, March 2024, when BTC peaked in this cycle. Technically, the setup appears positive as well. Bitcoin continues to hold the major lows of around $55,000, and all of its major moving averages are smashing together right around $60,000, as well as its major resistance trend line from the March highs. In other words, support is holding and resistance is being tested. This feels like the sort of setup where resistance will break soon. If we do break the current major resistance around $64,000, then it should be all clear for a straight-line rally up in cryptos. That's because, historically speaking, every time Bitcoin has convincingly taken out the high from the previous boom cycle, it proceeded to soar in an almost vertical fashion over the subsequent few months. We believe that if BTC does successfully and convincingly clear the mid-$60,000 level in the next few weeks, BTC could go vertical to $100,000 within a few months. Such a move would also be historically consistent in terms of timing. In relation to halving events, this is typically when BTC starts to really pick up steam, right around 4 months after the halving. Therefore, despite the frustration of the past 5 months, Bitcoin is ready to break out of its sideways consolidation pattern, and altcoins are ready to rebound. Again, nothing is guaranteed in financial markets, especially not in the crypto markets. But the signs are turning positive. No, not HIV positive. Calm down there, Magic Johnson, but things are looking very positive for the bull run everyone is hoping for.